Hello, everyone. Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. Making this a small video about the last week trades. I didn't get a chance earlier, so today is Wednesday, making it now. So let's get started. At the end of the video, I'll show you the US dollar index and the analysis for the current week and the following weeks. So watch it until the end. So pound Aussie on the 8th. This is the pound Aussie 20-minute entry here. Buy order here. You can see my order always on the left hand side, and I use my Magic IB setup, which is which has 4 conditions. Once they are met, then I open the trade. Nothing without the setup. So this is pound Aussie 20-minute for 130 pip. On the 8th, USD CAD to the upside 100 pip. You can see this 4 conditions. Yellow is above the black. This indicated all the way down, coming up. Higher low, and red candle turns into blue, and I open the trade here, and my SL is always behind the low, which is around 25-26 pips. So and you can look at that. All right, the first one here. Now see, the move happened, and then this is the entry. Even if you take this one, this was off of timing, but even if you take this one, then you lose 25 pip. It comes down here, then you take it, and again, this entry here, right? And then you come up with 130 pip. That means you're still in profit for 105 pip. So once in a while I make that mistake, but I don't show the chart because it's useless, right? You catch up everything, then why should I just show all of that nonsense? It takes time to make these charts. Now this one, you can see again, same thing. If I had taken this one, once it goes there, I come and sit on a break even, the price comes down, hit my SL, what happened? I don't lose anything, right? No loss, no gain. So after that, again, the entry came, and this one all the way to the upside. That's how it is. Now, similarly here, this was the short entry taken, price went down, come and sit on a break even, the price goes up, take me out on break even. So no loss, no gain. Again, second entry, and look what happened, right? So that's how it is. Now this one, pound USD 20-minute down 60 pip, sell order here on the 8th. 9th, USD yen, beautiful first entry, went all the way 90 pip. Pound Newsy on the 9th, 125 pip. Again, this is the first entry, and it went up all the way. This one went up the price. See, this was the one I showed you, retrace a little bit. Again, it touches the yellow line. First entry again, and 85 more pips on the 9th. EUR-AUD, this is the entry here. No looking back, and 80 pip buy order right there. If you play by the rule, you are always positive. Once in a while, SL hit, no problem. Now, see this one, since the price is not in the wave, even though this indicated all the way down, and then I had a couple of blue candles, I do not open the trade because the price is not retraced enough. So once it is at least touching the yellow line, and then it comes down and touching this 89, the black line, then it's a good one. 110 pip EUR-CAD again to the upside on the 9th. On the 9th, Euro-NUSI again. This one, see now, sometimes what happens? The price is in a hurry. So if it's not even touching the yellow, but this thing is all the way down, yeah, you can take this one or this one, right? If I had waited this one, then this is by the book, yellow line is touched here, and this indicates all the way down. So it would be a nice trade. So, the price, there was a reason that the price was going up that fast. So I just took it. 130. Even from here would be 100 pip anyway, right? Now, EUR-AUD, you can see here the same thing. It was in a hurry, so it's very close to the yellow line, but I just took it. Took my chances because big, nice move, right? Ranging, and boom. Nice move. You could take that one. And then that was the first one I closed. This is the second one by the book, touching the black line in between yellow and black. Beautiful trade for 150 pip. This is how this system works. And these pairs, by the way. Pound Newsy from here, 85 pip. You can see that this is the one that I took, but this was a good entry also. This was a good entry also, and every single entry is in the money. Here again, went up, boom, came down and gone. This would be a nice entry as well, but I didn't take that one, but I took this one, 80 pip. On the 12th, pound yen, look at that, nice big move. I missed this one, right? Because of the timing, I guess. Yeah, 2000 hour, right? So then this one came, took it right there and all the way down, 160 pip. Not only that, you'll see more. The USD yen was getting strong. So pound yen, USD yen, euro, everything yen was going down big time. This was a beautiful entry here. 130 was my trade, and my what I call is the like Japanese officials were concerned that this was like a concern point. So 130, it gave me a nice, beautiful entry right there, and all the way down 150 pip, sell order at 12. And then EUR-AUD on the 12th, this is the entry all the way to 130 pip. This was the entry as well, but I did not have to take it. I didn't have to take it because this was a good entry here. This is the first, I just showed you that pound yen 20 minute all the way down to 160 pip. Again, this was the entry, second entry for 110 pip on the 12th. On the 13th, this is gold, entry exactly at 1890, came down all the way to 1802. Beautiful, beautiful trade. I had a few other, forget about that. I don't want to talk about crypto here. So EUR-AUD here, again on 13th, nice entry here for 90 pip. And look at this, EUR-CAD again went up, coming down on the 13th. This is the entry, this was the entry. I took that early, right? This was the early trade I just showed you. But this is the one that I took it on the 13th. Sell order here, nice, beautiful entry here. All of these were wobble, but never went all the way up, or this indicator was not above the red line, like here, here, or here. These are the good entries, or here, right? So excuse me. So these are 18, 19 trades, and you see the most of my trades and my entries never look back. You make the entry, and then from here you can see that only entries you can clearly see the yellow is above the black here, right? So there is no short entry here. And my analysis was that it is going to go down. Okay, so yellow got below the black. Now first entry, never look back, came down. Second entry, and third entry, and fourth entry. So I was in here. I didn't take that one. I took this one, and I didn't take that one. You can't go wrong. There is no wrong entry here, right? Even the last one, look at that one. So this one, and my SL is here, and unless I don't move my SL unless this last low is taken out. So here it was taken out, the price goes down. I come and sit on the break even. Other than that, my SL was here, never hit price wobble, but my SL was safe. So this is how it is. Now let me show you that my chart for USDX, US dollar index, was this on the 7th I made, and the price was at 10.26. My window is open. Let me close the window because it's more on here. Sorry about that. I just closed this for the fresh air, turn off the AC, but you hear the noises. All right, so this is the one, 10.26. And then I said it might drop from here or may go up to 78% and then drop. So what it did is this. It went up 78%, it touched, and now it's dropping. So if it continues dropping here, it's going to come down to 06.98. Doing so, US dollar going to get weaker. And then out of 7 USD pairs, 4 will go up, 3 will go down. You know which one. So trade accordingly. And if you have the system, fine, use your own system. If you don't, if you want to get my system, go on my website, creativetradingsystems.com. Here, just the name on every single chart, and subscribe. And if you need to learn everything, then you can subscribe for a one-on-one Zoom one-on-one training. And it is like a 10-hour course, and I will teach you everything over the Zoom, the same program I'm using to record this webinar. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the trading week.